Do you want to start a YouTube channel? Or you have passion of being a content creator? Or maybe you want to show people how to do something? Or you want to show people your lifestyle? Creating a YouTube channel will help you connect with viewers around the world. So all I need you to do is to relax and watch this video from beginning. So congratulations, because in today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide on how to open up your YouTube channel. So the first thing you're going to do is to have a phone. If you have money, you can buy camera and use camera and laptop. But in a station where I don't have camera and laptop, you can use your phone and start. You need the ring light. But if you're using your phone, even with camera, you can use your natural light. It's not more that you use ring light. Second one, you need to have a topic of what you want to be teaching people, which is popularly known as niche. Make sure you know it. It's not today you teach about health, tomorrow you teach about farming, next tomorrow you teach about, let people know what you're teaching so that they can always come to your channel anytime they need your view. Another thing, make sure you have a name that you want to give to your channel. Majority of people, after opening their YouTube channel, they keep on changing. Today they'll change them, tomorrow they'll change them. Every time they're changing them. Mind you, whenever you upload a video, even if it's your very first video, your viewers already know the name of your channel. So the next time they want to come and click and watch your video, if they like what you're doing. So if you keep on changing, you're doing yourself more harm than good. And lastly, make sure you know how to edit your videos. There are so many apps that we are using to edit. So, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Confidence. If today is your first time tuning in, thank you. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you as well. In this channel, I teach about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, and how to make money both online and offline. So if this is something you're interested about, do well to like, share, subscribe, and lastly, comment below in the comment section. If there is anything you did not understand how I did it, make sure you come to the comment section and ask me questions, because I will always reply. So without wasting much of your time, let's move to the practical aspect of this video. To create your Google account, click on YouTube app. If you don't have YouTube app in your phone, maybe you're using your friend's phone to watch this video, go to Chrome browser or Play Store and download it. Click on me. Click on switch account. Click on this plus sign. Now, do you forgot your email? Do you want to create account? You want to create account? Click on create account. For my personal use, for work or any business, for my personal use. Input your first name. For tutorial purpose, so you have to put your name. Last name, Kechi. Click on next. Now you have basic information. Enter your birthday and gender. Birthday simply means the day you were born. And then your gender, is it, are you a female? Are you a boy or a girl? Woman or man? So you have to put it. The month that you are born. Is it January, February or March? May, March. Day. Second. Year. 1990. I'll come to gender. I'll put in female. I'll click on next. So what do you want to use as your email address? You have to input it now. So me, I'll be using just NK. Just NK 559 at gmail.com. I'll click on next. I want to create my password now. Mirabel 888. I'll click on next. So do I want to add my phone number? I'll click yes, I am in. I'll click on next. Private and tasks will be given to you, so I'll go through it. I will click on I agree. So this is the interface of the email I just created. So what I'll do now, I'll go ahead and create my channel. To do that, I'll click on me here, which is you. I'll click on me. I'll click on this J here. I'll add my profile picture, name, and then the handle. This picture, I'll click on it. Save as profile picture. I'll save it. So I'll leave my name as Joseph Nkechi and the handle Joseph Nkechi 03Z. I'll leave it like that. Now I will click on create channel. My channel has been created. So what I will do now, I will upload my very first video. I will click on this plus sign. It will take me to my gallery. So I will upload this video now. It said edit into short. Next. So now I'm going to click on next to give it proper setting, because this is just for tutorial purposes. I'm not going to upload this video. So I'll click on next to give it proper setting. So now I'll be asked to put my details here, to put the title. What is the title of my video? Is it how to open a YouTube channel, how to upload video? I'll put it. I'll add description. This video is simply teaching us how to open a YouTube channel. Whatever is your description, add it there. So now, looking at this place, you have visibility. Did I want to add it on public? Public means immediately I upload it, everybody will start watching it. or did I want it unlisted? Unlisted simply means only the people that I gave my link that can watch it. Is it on private? Private simply means people that are in the same community with you, or people that you tell about it will watch it. Schedule. Schedule simply means you have to give time that you want your video to be published. So then YouTubers will do the work for you. Is it in the morning or afternoon or night? Or you just choose your time, whether AM or PM, whether 5 PM or 5 AM, any time at all that you choose. YouTube will use their hand and push your video for you. So next thing to do, I will click on next. Altered content. This video, did you use anything like AI images? Maybe you make picture to talk or you make broom to talk, something like that. If yes, you said yes. If no, you say no. For me, it's no, because I did not do such. Allow video and audio remixing. Will you allow people to come and watch your video and collect any part that they want to collect? Of course, you have to turn it yes, because it will make more people to watch your video for you. Then after this, you click on next. Now, this video, is it made for kid? You say no, it's not made for kid. But if it's made for kid, you click yes. But for this, my own is not made for kid. So now click on what? Upload. But I'm not going to upload it because this is just for a tutorial purposes. So I'm going to end this video here now because this video is already long. I don't want it to be more longer. Make sure you watch my video on how to upload your very first video, so that I can take you to YouTube Studio and teach other things you need to know about setting your video for proper optimization. If you learned something from what you just watched, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down in the comment section. Bye, and see you in my next video.